Present indefinite tense. The present indefinite tense, also known as the simple present tense, is used to describe actions, habits, or situations that are generally true, ongoing, or repeated. It indicates routine activities, facts, universal truths, or permanent situations. The basic structure of the present indefinite tense is as follows. Positive sentence structure. Subject plus verb plus object complement. Here are some examples. 1. I play the guitar. 2. You study English. 3. They live in New York. 4. We eat dinner at 7 p.m. 5. The sun rises in the east. 1. She plays tennis every Saturday. 2. The sun rises in the east. 3. They speak English fluently. 4. We eat breakfast at 8 a.m. 5. He works at a bank. In these examples, the verb remains in its base form for all subjects except the third person singular pronouns, where an s or s is added to the verb. Note that the addition of s or s is only for the third person singular subjects in positive statements. Negative and interrogative sentences follow a different structure. Negative sentence structure. Subject plus do does plus not plus verb plus object complement. Example, she does not like coffee. 1. He does not like spicy food. 2. She does not speak French. 3. It does not rain much in the desert. 4. We do not watch television. 5. They do not play basketball. Interrogative sentence structure. Do does plus subject plus verb plus object complement. Example, do you speak Spanish? 1. Do you enjoy reading? 2. Does he play the piano? 3. Do they speak Spanish? 4. Does it snow in your city? 5. Do we have any milk left? Remember, the present indefinite tense is used to describe general, repeated, or ongoing actions, habits, facts, or situations in the present.